Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make custom stones for your Roblox Studio island. We'll create two stone variants. One is a step for a house ladder, and another is a decorative stone for a quest giver's area. Let's get started. Let's start by modeling the stones. For the first variant, create a cube, scale it down, and shape it into a flat, wide step, perfect for placing at the bottom of a ladder leading into a house. For the second variant, make a larger, more irregular stone. This one will act as a decorative spot for your quest giver, so feel free to shape it taller and a little more dramatic to make it stand out. Once the stones are modeled, unwrap the UV so we can texture them properly. Assign a simple gray placeholder material for now. This will be replaced in Substance Painter. Now, let's paint the stones in Substance Painter. For the ladder step stone, keep it simple, smooth gray tones, maybe with a bit of dirt or wear so it looks like it's been walked on. For the quest giver's stone, add similar material. When you're happy with the results, export your textures. Next, let's bring the stones into Roblox Studio. Import both models using the Asset Manager, then apply the textures you created. Position the quest giver stone and place the flat stone at the bottom of your ladder. It works as a natural step into the house. This makes the area feel important and visually distinct. Lastly, make sure to set the anchor for our new parts. And that's it. You now have two custom stone variants, one as a practical step for houses, and another as a decorative platform for your quest giver. These little details really help bring your Roblox world to life. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox Studio building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.